Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to create pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Select your data, navigate to Insert tab. From Charts dialog box, we have different types of charts, but we will pick the first one. Let us see what we can do to improve our chart or customize it what we like. You can resize the chart by clicking here and dragging. Also, you can change the position of your chart. You can name your pie chart anything you want. Click on the caption, type your name, you can change the color and also the design of the chart by clicking on the blank space of the chart, chart design, change color. What colors do you prefer? You can pick it. Also come to here to design your chart. Here we have different options. A graph and table is dynamic. It will be reflected on your chart. For example, in February, I would change into 80. The chart is automatically updated to show the new value. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.